If you compare Botswana with other African countries, you will find that the country provides an edge for Forex traders. According to Transparency International, Botswana is the least corrupt country in Africa. Although some regions may not be Forex trading friendly, the investors find their way using the best Forex brokers in Botswana. Like other countries, Botswana Forex traders can start Forex with no effort, as it is one of the most accessible Forex markets. This article will enlighten you about Forex trading in Botswana and choosing the Forex trading brokers in Botswana. Best Forex Brokers in List, Botswana. There are many Forex brokers available in Botswana, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, Black Bull Markets, Cap, Octa, FX Pro, DNA Markets, IC Markets, FXGT.com, FXTM, and FBS Markets. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Botswana, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Any company or business that wants to trade Forex requires a license from the Bank of Botswana. However, there is no clear regulation regarding the individual trader. But there are no local Forex brokers in Botswana. Hence, individual traders must need help from offshore foreign brokers. Therefore, you have to choose the best Forex brokers accepting traders in Botswana using a specific method which we will discuss later in this article. Although the Central Bank of Botswana works as a regulatory body in the country for all sorts of financial activities. However, the organization has no control over Forex trading done by international brokers in the country. That is why you will have to trade at your risk. And we suggest you pick a broker from a reputed regulatory body such as FSCA, FCA, SCI-SEC, or ASIC. You can rely on these regulations while choosing regulated Forex brokers in Botswana. These are Tier 1 regulatory bodies. However, you may also pick brokers from Tier 2 or Tier 3 regulatory bodies. But choosing brokers is tough as you will need to follow some criteria. That is why we have provided a Forex Brokers List in Botswana. All of the recommended brokers are well regulated and trustworthy. So, in this article, you can pick any broker we have recommended. Starting Forex is easy as you don't need to undergo a strict bureaucratic process. Here is what you need to do to start Forex in Botswana. Step 1. Choose a device with high-speed internet. Step 2. Choose regulated Forex brokers in Botswana. Step 3. Fund the trading account. Step 4. Download the platform. Step 5. And trade. Now, here comes the way to pick the top broker. However, if you don't want to go through all these steps, you can just pick any broker from our Botswana Forex Brokers List and save your time and effort. Number 1. Regulations. Number 2. Demo account. Number 3. Range of instruments. Number 4. Trading platforms. Number 5. Deposit and withdrawal methods. Number 6. Effective customer service. So, finding the best Forex brokers in Botswana is not a difficult task. You just have to know the criteria. Again, if you don't want to waste your time verifying hundreds of brokers and picking one, you can select any broker Botswana Forex Brokers List. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Botswana, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below.